Hello my dears, here's Sally, and today we have 2 minutes of a powerful, energetic flow to connect to the nature, to your Mother Earth. Are you ready? Ground your feet with the inhale, hands to the heart. From here, exhale forward, what you want to give to the world, to the side. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, collect everything inside of you. Bring it down to the earth. Inhale to your heart. Exhale forward and to the side. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale from the earth. Inhale to your heart. Exhale forward to give to the world. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, bring it down. And continue in your own rhythm as often as you feel it. It's a beautiful exercise to really connect to the place where you are right now. You're really playful today? Maybe there is another flow. Get the feeling of the place. Maybe you just want to meditate. Enjoy and breathe deeply. Charge yourself. Connect and feel the union.